This rare 700 horsepower Audi RS6 Avant was shipped from Virginia to Florida specifically for Paintless Dent Repair. And the owner just so happens to be a professional detailer. So if there was ever a customer who notices every reflection, every body line, and every subtle imperfection, this was it. No room for shortcuts, no room for close enough. The goal was preservation. Because that's really what Paintless Dent Repair is all about. It's preserving original paint, original panels, and factory fit and finish.
Just to kind of show you where we're at. Get a nice pull right there. See that? There you go.
One thing people often think about with Paintless Dent Repair is that it's a commodity service, and that every technician provides the same outcome, and the only thing that separates one repair from another is the price. But I don't really look at it like that. So there's a lot of talented technicians in the industry. What I encourage customers to do is research. Look at their portfolios. Look at consistency. Watch the long form repairs that they're doing. Ask questions.
Factory opening.
And this is because there can be a meaningful difference in techniques, experience, and ultimately the final end result.
Making some pushes here.
So Paintless Dent Repair isn't something that is mass produced. It's a craft developed through years of repetition, problem solving, and learning how metal responds under different circumstances. Every repair is different. Every panel behaves differently. Every vehicle presents its own challenges. And on repairs like this, experience matters. So if you look at some of the posts that I make, the most common question is how much?
Some of this stuff here.
This repair wasn't inexpensive, I'll tell you that right now. But pricing isn't arbitrary. I don't simply decide what a repair costs. Pricing is generated through industry-specific software built specifically for PDR or Paintless Dent Repair as an industry.
Very intentional.
It considers the size, the complexity, access, panel location, depth, and numerous other factors that help create consistency and fairness from one repair to the next. The objective isn't to be the cheapest option, it's to provide the highest level of preservation possible. Because once the original factory baked paint coat is gone, it's gone forever. And while there are certainly times when a conventional repair is the right choice, conventional, when I say conventional, I mean like a traditional body shop repaint. Paintless Dent Repair offers an opportunity to maintain originality, preserve the value, and minimize diminished value that often accompanies refinishing or panel replacement. For owners of vehicles like this RS6 Avant, that is incredibly important.
Come across this like ridge. Right, anything that represents a mountain.
You can see here I'm talking about getting in between every little last one of those low spots and high spots, and just making sure that reflection reads true on the panel. And you can see I still have a ton of work left to do there, but it's just pushing yourself to get past the hump, and that's what it takes to do these jobs to a very high level. Just stay in the fight. But at the end of the day, this is why I still enjoy doing these repairs after all these years. It's the challenge, the problem solving, and the opportunity to work on vehicles that people genuinely care about. Seeing something that started out damaged return to form without changing its identity never really gets old. I truly enjoy this art form known as Paintless Dent Repair. And understanding that the final details are usually what separate a good repair from a truly exceptional one. Sometimes the last few percent of the refinement takes the most time, but that's also where the magic happens. Well, if you've made it this far, I genuinely appreciate you following along. Thanks for taking the time to watch, and I hope this gives a little more insight into what's possible with high-level Paintless Dent Repair. I will see you on the next one.